Legislators from Wajir and Mandera counties were briefly held for questioning over a secret mission to Somalia minutes after landing at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. The legislators who flew to Somalia on Saturday are believed to have met the Somali National Intelligence Agency (NISA) officials in the wake of tension between Jubaland and Somali National Army troops near Mandera border. And as Chris Nairo now reports, the MPs had no permission to travel outside the country from the Speaker of the National Assembly or the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
The 11 legislators who were aboard Freedom Airline flight from Somalia landed at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport.
Keeping with the protocol, do you have the clips of the members of parliament? We don't have them yet, but let's start with you, former Deputy Speaker Farah Maalim. You've been following the story and how the leaders had to be questioned for a short while at the airport. And would you know what the agenda was for their mission to Mogadishu?
Well, there's a lot of hype and sensationalization of too much ado about something that's very basic.
Basic. They met the president of Somalia.
Just relax. I'm explaining it, so you wait until I finish my explanation.
Go ahead.
There's nothing wrong with anybody meeting any president.
On behalf of the General Assembly, I have the honour to welcome to the United Nations His Excellency Mohammed Abdullahi Mohammed, President of the Federal Republic of Somalia, and to invite him to address the Assembly.
Mr. President, Honorable Head of States and Governments, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor and privilege to address you on this 74th session of the United Nations General Assembly. It's indeed my sincere belief that the General Assembly is vital in galvanizing multilateral efforts and actions for poverty and eradication, quality education,